third question. We have a word problem. So word problem we solve panna porom. Form a pair of linear equation and solve using substitution method. Okay, but difference between two numbers is 26. So first enna panna porom, one number is going to be x and the other number is going to be y. Okay, but difference between two numbers na we have x minus y equals 26. Endha number perusu chinnadhenla inga worry panna vendam. So difference between the two numbers is 26. One number is 3 times the other. So one number is going to be 3 times the other number. Indha mari eduthalama. So find them. Okay, so let us find the values. So you have x equals 3y. In that already in the formula da irukku. So let me substitute. X equals 3y na we have 3y minus y equals 26. 2y equals 26. Y equals 13. If y equals 13 na x enna 3 into 13. So 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So we have x equals 39 and y equals 13. If correct, difference between two numbers is 26. 39 minus 13 is going to be 26. Hence verified. One number is 3 times the other. So one number 13 equals 39 na the one number is going to be 3 times the other number. Correct? So hence verified. So you have the two numbers. Final answer eppadi eduthanom? The two numbers are 13 and 39. Okay, please copy. Now, second subsection. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. So, in a larger angle, smaller angle. So, how are we going to take? So, the larger angle is going to be x and the smaller angle is going to be y. What is given? The larger of supplementary angle. Larger enna pannudhu? It is going to exceed the smaller angle by 18 degrees. So smaller angle vida 18 degrees jastiya irukku. Okay, it is smaller angle plus 18 degrees which is going to be the larger angle. So this is one equation. You always need two equations to solve linear equation in two variables. Ena rendu variable irukku. What is the other equation? What is hidden here? The larger of two supplementary angles. Supplementary na enna? We have x plus y equals 180. When you add the two angles, you are going to get a value of 180 degree. That is supplementary. Complementary na enna? It is going to be 90 degree. Okay, idella therinjukonga. So if x plus y equals 180 and x equals y plus 18. So these are the two equations. So I am going to substitute the value of x into this equation. So we have y plus 18 plus y equals 180. 2y equals 180 minus 18. 180 minus 18. இப்படி subtract பண்ணுங்க. 18 18 cancel பண்ணிடாதீங்க. So 7 1. So you have 2 6 1 162. So you have 2y equals 162. Y equals 162 divided by 2 which is going to be 2 8s are 16 2 1s are. So you have 81. So y value 81 na x value enna? You can find from here. So x equals y plus 18. So this is going to be 81 plus 18. Which is going to be 81 plus 18 and a 9, 9. So 99 degrees. Okay. 99 plus 81, 180 varudha parunga. So 99, 81 is going to be 10, 1, 180. So in the equation la check panniyaachu. Okay. So we have the two angles to be 99 degrees and 81 degrees. Okay. Now third subsection. The coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for 3,800. So idu easy. So cost of in a bat to ball. So one bat equals rupees x and cost of one ball equals rupees y. Okay. இப்போ இங்கே final answer எழுதிருங்க. The two angles are அப்படின்னு எழுதிருங்க. Okay. The two angles are 81 degree and 99 degrees. Okay. இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல இப்போ என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கு? 7 bat and 6 ball. So we have 7 bats and 6 balls equals 3,800 rupees. Okay. Later, she buys 3 bats and 5 balls. So 3 bats and 5 balls. Balls and bats correct and order la kuduthirukangalaanu paarenga. Okay. So this is going to be 1750. Find the cost of each ball. Okay. So writing one equation in terms of the other. So in the equation enna pannalam? 6y equals 3,800 minus 7x. Y equals 3,800 minus 7x divided by 6. Okay. இப்போ substitute பண்ணலாமா? So I have 3x plus 5 into y value enna? 3,800 minus 7x divided by 6 equals 1750. Okay. Now I'm going to get rid of the 6. So I'm going to multiply the whole equation by 6. So what am I going to have? 6 3s are 18. So 18x plus 5 into 3800 minus 7x equals 1750 into 6. 6 zeros are 0, 6 5s are 30, 3 7 6 are 42, 43 44 45, 4 6 1s are 7, 6 1s are 6, 7 8 9 10. So 10 500. Okay. Now when I multiply this inside, 18x plus the rend 0, 5 8s are 40, 4 5 3s are 15, 16 17 18 19, 19,000 minus 5 7s are 35, 35x equals 10 500. Okay, now I have 18 minus 35. 18 minus 35 enna? 15 minus 8 is going to be 7. 2 minus 1 is 17. So I have minus 17x equals 10 500 minus 19,000. Okay, calculation la careful podunga. 19,000 and 10,500. 0 0 8 1 5 8. 8,500. So I have minus 17x equals minus 8,500. ஏனா பெரிய நம்பர்ல மைனஸ் இருக்கு இல்லையா? So from here the minus gets cancelled. ஏனா cost cannot be negative. So minus cancel ஆகுதான் check பண்ணுங்க. So 8,500 divided by 17. I think 17 5s are நினைக்கிறேன். 7 5s are 35. 3 5 1s are 5, 6 7 8. So we have 17 5s are 85 and 500. So we have x equals 500. இப்போ y value என்ன? Y equation என்ன? Y equals 3800 minus 7x. Y equals 3800 minus 7x divided by 6. Divided by 6. So we have 3800 minus 7 into 500 divided by 6. So we have 3800 minus 7 5s are 35. So 3500 divided by 6. 3800 minus 3500 is going to be 300. So 300 divided by 6. 6 5s are 30. So 50 rupees. So idhula enna theriyudhu? Cost of ball is going to be 50 rupees and cost of a bat is going to be 500 rupees. Okay, so this is also going to be rupees. So final answer, cost of bat is going to be 500 or 300 or 500. Cost of bat is going to be 500 rupees and cost of one ball is going to be 50 rupees. Okay, logical arka? Please copy. Now, subsection 4. The taxi in a city consists of fixed charge together with the charge for distance covered. இப்போ ரெண்டு இருக்கு. ஒன்னு என்ன? Fixed charge. Fixed charge na enna artham? இப்போ ஒரு ஆட்டோல நம்ம ஏறறோம்னு வெச்சுக்கோங்க. So we travel 5 kilometers. So 5 kilometers க்கு 1 kilometer equals 10 rupees அப்படினு ஒரு amount இருக்கு. So this is going to be the travel charge. எங்கது? It is charge for distance covered. இப்போ அதுக்கு முன்னாடி fixed charge னு ஒன்னு இருக்கு. So every auto guy has a fixed charge. So first ஒரு 20 rupees கொடுத்துடணும். 20 rupees கொடுத்துட்டு அப்புறம் 5 kilometersக்கு இப்போ 1 kilometer 10 rupeesனா you have to pay 50 rupees. So 50 plus 20 70. So you have a fixed charge and a charge for distance covered. So fixed charge is going to be rupees x and charge per distance. Okay, ஒரு kilometerக்கு charge per distance is going to be rupees y. இப்போ என்ன சொல்றான்? For a distance of 10 kilometer, the charge paid is 105. So first you have some fixed charge. அதுக்கப்புறமா 10 kilometer. Okay, so 1 kilometer க்கு 10 rupees. So this is going to be 10y. And you have a fixed charge. ஒரு ஆட்டோக்காரன் ஃபிக்ஸடா வச்சிருக்கான். So that is going to be x. So இப்போ நீங்க 10 kilometers போறீங்கன்னா 10 into 10 is going to be 100. 100 plus இந்த இடத்துல ஒரு extra charge ஒரு 40 rupees அப்படின்னா 140 rupees pay பண்ணணும். So you have x plus 10y equals first என்ன சொல்றனா 105. So this is going to be our first equation. Then for a journey of 15 kilometers. So you have 15 kilometers. He paid 155, but remember you also have a fixed charge for this also. இப்போ என்ன கேக்குறான்? What are the fixed charges and the charge per kilometer? So x and y கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். And how much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometers? So they are asking for x plus 25y equals how much? So you have to first find the value of x and y and then substitute the values. Okay? So இப்போ solve பண்ணலாமா? Writing one equation in terms of the other. I have x plus 10y equals 105. So from this I can write x equals 105 minus 10y. So substituting equation 1 in equation 2. So 1 in 2 I have x value enna 105 minus 10y plus 15y equals 155. So minus 10 plus 15 is going to be 5y and 155 minus 105. So 155 105 enna value 0 5. So 50. So I have 5y equals 50, y equals 10. So y value 10. அப்படினா என்ன அர்த்தம்? Per kilometer க்கு 10 rupees. இப்போ x value என்ன? We have x equals 105 minus 10 into 10. So we have 105 minus 10 tens are 100, which is going to be 5. So fixed charge is going to be 5 rupees. So if you travel 10 kilometers, you have to pay 5 rupees fixed charge plus 10 rupees per kilometer. Now final enna kekran x plus 25y kekranla, so adiyum solve pannum. So you have x plus 25y, which is going to be 5 plus 25 into 10, which is going to be 5 plus 250, which is 255. Okay, 300 kadayadu, 255. So amount for 25 kilometers is going to be rupees 255. எந்த காலத்துல இருக்காங்கன்னு தெரியல, இவ்ளோ சீப்பா இருக்கு. Okay, please copy. Now fifth subsection, a fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both numerator and denominator. So இங்க என்ன இருக்கு, numerator and denominator. So your numerator, first of all எது xy ன்னு எழுதிக்கோங்க, is going to be x, and the denominator is going to be y. So enna agudhu, the fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both numerator and denominator. So numerator ku 2 and denominator ku 2. So this is going to be a fraction. X by y is your fraction. So when 2 is added to both denominator and the numerator, your fraction becomes 9 divided by 11. So this is one equation. Then if 3 is added to both numerator and denominator. So if 3 is added to both numerator and the denominator, the fraction becomes 5 divided by 6. Find the fraction. So x divided by y and then kekranga. So let us find the values. First of all, let me cross multiply and get a simpler equation. Okay, both sides. So I have 11 into x plus 2 equals 9 into y plus 2. So I have 11x plus 22 equals 9y plus 9 2s are 18. So from this we have 11x plus 9y equals 18 minus 22. 11x plus 9y equals 18 minus 22 is going to be minus 4. This is equation. The second equation is going to be 6 into x plus 3 equals 5 into y plus 3. So we have 6x plus 6 3s are 18 equals 5y plus 5 3s are 15. So we have 6x minus 5y equals 15 minus 18. 6x minus 5y equals minus 3. இப்போ ரெண்டு equation இருக்கு. Let me write one variable in terms of the other. So I can write 6x equals minus 3 plus 5y. X equals minus 3 plus 5y the whole divided by 6. Here please change. It is going to be 11x minus 9y equals 18 minus 22. So 11x minus 9y equals 18 minus 22 is minus 4. Okay. இப்போ substitute பண்ணலாமா? So equation 1 in 2. So what is going to be x value? 11 times minus 3 plus 5y divided by 6 plus, minus 9y equals minus 4. To get rid of the 6, I'm going to multiply the whole equation by 6. So இப்போ என்ன ஆகும்? When I multiply, I have 11 times minus 3 plus 5y minus 9 6 are 54y equals minus 24. Okay. So when I multiply this inside, I have minus 33 plus 55y minus 54y equals minus 24. So 55 minus 54 is going to be y equals minus 24 plus 33. So 33 minus 24 and when I cancel, I have 14 minus 3 is going to be 9. So I have y equals 9. Okay. Now from this I can find the value of x. So x value when I can write x equals minus 3 plus 5y divided by 6, which is going to be minus 3 plus 5 into 9 divided by 6. So this when we simplify, we have minus 3 plus 9 5s are 45 divided by 6. 45 minus 3 is 42. 42 by 6, which is going to be 7. So we have x value equals 7. So enna kandupidichirukom? Numerator and the denominator. So the fraction is going to be 7 divided by 9. Okay. Please copy. Now subsection 6. 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. இதே மாதிரி ஒரு example question போட்டிருக்கோம். So first of all, Jacob's age. So Jacob's age is going to be x and son's age is going to be y. 5 years hence அப்படினா என்ன? 5 years from now. So 5 years from now, Jacob will be x plus 5 and his son will be y plus 5. என்ன equation சொல்றான்? 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. So Jacob யாரு? Jacob is going to be x and y is going to be the son. So son விட he is going to be 3 times. எப்போ? 5 years அப்புறம். So 5 years அப்புறம், after 5 years is going to be plus 5 and 3 times the son's age is going to be 3 into y plus 5. Okay, so this is one equation. And 5 years ago அப்படினா என்ன அர்த்தம் before 5 years. So the age is going to be x minus 5 and his son's age will be y minus 5. கரெக்ட்டா எதனால ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எழுதிறோம் y minus 5 and x minus 5 denote that they are 5 years ago எவ்வளவு ஏஜ் இருந்ததோ that is going to be x minus 5 and y minus 5. Okay. Now 5 years ago Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. So Jacob age என்னவா இருந்தது? It was 7 times that of his son. Okay. So இப்போ ரெண்டு ஈக்குவேஷனையும் simplify பண்ணலாமா? So this particular equation is going to be x plus 5 equals, when I multiply the 3 inside, I have 3y plus 5 3s are 15. So we have x minus 3y equals 15 minus 5, x minus 3y equals 10. So this is one equation. And when we simplify this equation, we have x minus 5 equals 7 ulla multiply panna 7y minus 35. So x minus 5 equals, or I can bring the y to the other side. I have x minus 7y equals minus 35 plus 5. So x minus 7y equals minus 30. So this is one other equation. So from this I can write x equals 10 plus 3y. So this is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. I can substitute 1 in 2. I have x value in 10 plus 3y minus 7y equals minus 30. So 10, 3y minus 7y is minus 4y equals minus 30 minus 10. Okay, sign lang careful podunga. So you have y equals minus 40 divided by minus 4, which is going to be 10. If y value equals 10 na, x value na, x is going to be 10 plus 3 into 10. So we have 10 plus 30, which is going to be 40. So if Jacob's age na, Jacob is 40 years and son is going to be 10 years. Our question la enna solran? He says that 5 years hence Jacob will be 3 times his age. அப்ப 5 years அப்புறமா என்ன ஆகும் 45 and 15. So we have 15 into 3. So Jacob வந்து is 3 times his son's age. அதே மாதிரி இன்னொரு equation என்ன? Jacob was 7 times the age 5 years ago. So 5 years ago na we have 35 and 5 years. So 5 into 7. புரிஞ்சுதா? So check பண்ணியாச்சா? Jacob age and son's age match ஆயிடுச்சா 5 years ago and 5 years from now. Okay? So this is how you solve. Please copy.